Today, let's try teaching a new barista how to steam milk and also practice making latte art. Lift it air, then lift it up. You see? Let's start with the positioning of the steaming one. You're going to need to have a perfect position of the steaming one so that you can be able to inject in air into your milk and also create a vortex. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to have the perfect position. As you see, I first find the center of the milk jug, then slightly on the side, this is where I'm going to position my steaming one. If you put it on the jug, you'll find the exact spot where you're going to put your steaming one and not to over move it all around when you're steaming. At my first trial, I use only water so that I can see the positioning very well. This is the ideal position. So now let's start training the new barista. Using these same steps, but we're going to be using soap.
And then I put
a little bit of soap. Okay. Now let's try it again. Center. Twist on the side. Okay. Then you cut. Stop. So this is the level that you need. This is the center. Then you need to put it slightly on the side. Then the line where the tip is, it should be on the surface, not below. Okay. Add a little bit soap. Enough. Okay.
let's go.
Get. Attach. Okay. Yeah. Like that. See? See? Okay. That's how it should be. One more?
One more before I go.
Okay. Again?
Again.
Okay. When you add the water, it's until here, where the spout is. There. Pour this. Level. A little bit of soap. Okay. Again. Get. Center. Then twist a bit. There. Okay. Start. You see? So the vortex is when you're texturing the milk. The first sound is the air that you're injecting the milk. So this is a good texture. Then you can try it with milk. It should be silky like this. Okay, now you can try with milk. Okay, below the spout, there. Okay. So purge your steam first. Purge the steam. Okay. Now, okay, get your center. Twist a bit. Yeah, there. So start your steam. You inject in air, then lift it up. You see? 60 enough. So you can measure the temperature by holding the base of the jug. As you can see, this is silky. So you tap it down to break the bubbles. Yeah. Swell. Okay. Now we can try pouring our latte art. So you can pour a basic latte art. So this is a basic hat. You can practice again and again your latte art if you have a good textured milk. Transfer. I make again. This is an easy way that you can practice your latte art by using only the coffee grains, so you don't waste any of your milk and espresso.